Hello, my name is Archie Scott, and I will be presenting to you a time value of money problem based on the Chapter 6 Team-Based Homework Problem number 5 for Professor Park's Accounting 301 class. Problem 5 states that Touche Manufacturing is considering a rearrangement of its manufacturing operations. A consultant estimates that the rearrangement should result in after-tax cash savings of $6,000 the first year, $10,000 for the next 2 years, and $12,000 for the following 2 years. Interest is at 12%. Assume cash flows occur at the end of the year. Calculate the total present value of the cash flows. The first step you want to take is to identify the pertinent information from the problem. Our cash flows for year 1 is $6,000, year 2 and 3 is $10,000, and years 4 and 5 is $12,000. Our interest is 12%, and our number of periods is 1 to 5 based on the year of the cash flow. So now that you've got your pertinent information, you're going to use the present value of a dollar table, table 2, to find the appropriate values from the table. Now, as you can see, indicated by the big blue arrow, that's our interest of 12%, and then indicated by the 5 different colored smaller arrows is our number of periods. This is the present value factors that you will use in your computations. The values from the present value of a dollar table are for year 1, 0.89286, year 2, 0.79719, year 3, 0.71178, year 4, 0.63552, and year 5, 0.56743. Now that we have all of our information from the problem and the present value factors from the table, we want to set up our table, set up the equations, and solve the equations. So here's the table. Starts off with our cash flows of $6,000, $10,000, $10,000, $12,000, and $12,000. The year we received them, 1 through 5. Our N, which is going to be 1 through 5. Our I is 12% all the way through. And then set up the computation problem, which is going to be our cash flow times our present value factor from the present value table, table 2. So in the first one, $6,000 times 0.89286 gives us a present value of $5,357.16. Now you do this for all 5 periods and all 5 cash flows, multiplying the cash flow times the present value factor, and get your present values for each period and each cash flow. Now once you have all 5 of them, you add them together to give you your total present value of cash flows, which is $34,882.26. And that completes this problem. Thank you for your time, and I wish you all the best in your future endeavors. Have a great day.